Hi, this is Patty Thai Badass here. So I got many questions about like what I use for cooking. I mean the oil for cooking. So I can tell you this only oil I use for cooking in my kitchen and even in the restaurant is coconut oil, which is unrefined coconut oil. Why I do that? It's even more expensive than the other oil because the coconut oil is the best oil and it's healthy, and it's good for cooking too. And the coconut oil, once you cook it, it gives you less calorie in the food. And not just that, when you put in the rice, when you cook the rice, it's like when the rice almost finished, which is I have video right here, and it's helped to reduce the calorie in the rice. So that's how I put it. It's just like whatever, like if you use a 1 pot, like 2 scoop, what you maybe it's just 1 tablespoon. I don't know how much it's really did reduce the the calories, but I don't remember exactly. But I read some article like in Thailand, like maybe like it's a science, so I don't remember the science thing. Anyway, so this is this is the answer for you what I use for cooking in my kitchen and to the customer, even not just cover to myself, because you want to eat the quality, not just the quantity. You want to eat good and feel good and about yourself and your body. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like some trick for cooking or anything like about food, lifestyle, and garden, just subscribe or like, whatever. Thank you. Bye.